already we know about what is MVC, model view controller. So now we start with to design the view component. View means the user interface. Okay, for designing the user interface, now we are showing a program. Okay, बेसिकली ये जो प्रोग्राम है, ये जो एडवांस जावा जो है, हम एक प्रोजेक्ट बेसिस में चलेगा. मतलब एक प्रोजेक्ट जो है, जो सॉकर लीग, मतलब आप एक फुटबॉल टीम का रजिस्टर करने के लिए ये एप्लीकेशन हम बनाएंगे. तो इसके लिए पहले हम डिजाइनिंग करेंगे. So in this session, we have to learn about design the view component, describe the hypertext transfer protocol, describe the web container behavior, and develop the servlets, identify the feature of a web container, deploy the web application, and configure and deploy a servlet. So already I have shown you how to create a servlet. Okay, so in the previous video it is there. You do the practical. If you face any kind of problem, you ask me. So it is very important that the practical I have shown you in the previous class, you do it. You have faced any kind of difficulty, then tell me. Okay, so that is your next task, and you do it and share the screenshot with me. Okay, Madhu, Ankita.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
नेक्स्ट क्लास रे एटा करी कि मते देखैयो जो सर्वलेट्स एंड एचटीएमएल जो प्रोग्राम टा मु बतैथिली. जदि किछि डिफिकल्टी हैला मते फोन करियो डायरेक्टली मु सॉल्यूशन देबी. So there are four fundamental. Okay, so there are four fundamental type of view. So view is of four type. One is your data presentation, data form, navigational aids, information screen, and pop-ups. Data presentation means it is any form. Okay, HTML में आप जो भी डिजाइन करते हो, so that is called the data presentation. It is interacting with the user. आप जो भी डिजाइन करते हो, that is data presentation. और नेक्स्ट होता है डेटा फॉर्म. सो डेटा फॉर्म मीन्स वेयर द यूजर इज गिविंग द इनपुट. जहां पर यूजर इनपुट देता है, दैट इज कॉल्ड द डेटा फॉर्म. ओके, नेक्स्ट इज नेविगेशनल एड्स. नेविगेशनल एड्स मतलब आप जब गूगल में कुछ चीज सर्च करते हो, किसी भी लिंक पर आप अगर क्लिक करते हो तो इट इज मूविंग टू द नेक्स्ट पेज. तो दैट इज कॉल्ड द नेविगेशनल एड्स. इंफॉर्मेशन स्क्रीन एंड पॉपअप, जब आप डाटा सेव करते हो, ऊपर एक ब्राउजर में मैसेज वो शो करता है दैट योर डेटा इज सेव सक्सेसफुली. So that is called the informational screen and pop-ups. Okay, understood?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So copy answer.
No, sir.
Copy anyone na?
Next class, no, notes doc.
Next is your data forms. Next Gibson heading, data forms. Forms for data. Forms for data entry are also considered view component.
Are also considered.
View component.
Are also considered view component.
View component are also considered as view component. Navigational aids the type of view this type of view include menus, hyperlinks, site maps. Next, informational screen and pop-ups. Informational screens and pop-ups. This type of view include welcome text, instruction, help screen,
Key screen.
help screen,
Help screen.
error messages, confirmation dialogues. लिखिले समझते हैं? अंकिता लिखिल? अंकिता, मधु, सागर?
Yes, sir. Again, sir.
Okay. So earlier in development, okay, so while before we were going to this MVC platform, previously we were using model 1 architecture. So MVC is called as the model 2 architecture. Earlier we were using model 1 architecture. In model 1 architecture, like your presentation logic, business logic, and database all are present in same location. Your presentation logic, business logic, and database is present in a same location, that is called as the model 1 architecture. Now Gibson heading model 1 architecture. In early web application design, okay, just I have discussed about model 1 architecture. I have discussed about model 1 architecture. I told you that in model 1 architecture, your presentation logic, business logic, and data access logic present in same location. So I share in the notes, in early web application design, in early web application design, the incoming request is handled by a JSP page or servlet. A JSP page or servlet. Including the request, including processing the request, validating data, handling business logic, and generating a response. Okay. So as all the three things are present in same location, it might making you the complexity of the web application development. So for that reason, we're using model 2 architecture. A web application design using model 2 architecture, all the three things are separated each other. Means your view part is present in one location, model part is present in one location, data access logic present in another location. So all the three things are present in separate location. So right, Gibson heading model 2 architecture. बुझिएला मॉडल टू आर्किटेक्चर. दीज आर द थ्री थिंग, लाइक आपका जो प्रेजेंटेशन है, जो व्यू है, मॉडल है और जो बिजनेस लॉजिक है, एक ही पेज में हैंडल होता है. बट इन मॉडल टू आर्किटेक्चर में क्या होगा, एवरीथिंग इज हैंडल इन द different location. So right, in model 2 architecture, first point, in model 2 architecture, then right, first point, servlet acts as the controller. Servlets acts as the controller which verify form data, updates the model with the form data, and select the next view as the response. Okay, so as we are working with the MVC, okay, as we are working with the MVC, so where your servlets acts as a controller. So controller work is what? Now it verify the form data. मतलब आप जो HTML फॉर्म आप डिफाइन कर रहे हो, तो उसका डाटा वो वेरीफाई करेगा. इट वेरीफाई द फॉर्म डाटा, और जो डाटा आप पास कर रहे हो उसको वेरीफाई करेगा, उसको अपडेट करेगा. उसके बाद आपको डेटा को बेस करके वो नेक्स्ट पेज में आपको ले जाएगा. देन नेक्स्ट पॉइंट, JSP पेज acts as the view. JSP page acts as the view. This renders the HTML response.
सर आउथोरी टकी हुई.
JSP page acts as the view. This renders the HTML response. Retrieving data from the model, retrieving the data from the model necessary to generate the response.
necessary to
Necessary to generate the response, and provides HTML forms to permit the user interaction.
Sir, HTML forms, then taପରେ
HTML form to permit user interaction. Then next point, okay, this point is saying what? Now JSP page acts as a view. Okay, so view means it is interacting with the user where you have to give a value. You can say the login form where you pass your user ID and password. Okay, it is verifying you. Okay, so this render the HTML response. So you are passing ID and password, and when you press the submit button, you are giving a request. So when you are giving a request, if your data is correct, अगर आपका डाटा करेक्ट होता है तो आपका इंफॉर्मेशन एक क्लास फाइल में स्टोर होता है, एक मॉडल में स्टोर होता है. अगर आपका इंफॉर्मेशन रॉन्ग होता है तो फिर वो डिस्पैच कर देता है एक एरर पेज को. ओके, सो दैट इज द वर्क ऑफ दिस जेएसपी पेज. पहले क्या होता है, यूजर से डाटा लेता है, वो डाटा वेरीफाई होता है कहां पर, ना कंट्रोलर पर. कंट्रोलर में वेरीफाई होकर अगर आपका डाटा करेक्ट है, आपका डाटा जाकर मॉडल में स्टोर होता है. अगर आपका डाटा इनकरेक्ट है तो आपको एक एरर मैसेज दिखाएगा, योर इंफॉर्मेशन इज इनकरेक्ट. समझ में आया कैसे हो रहा है? पहले हम क्या करेंगे ना, प्रेजेंटेशन लॉजिक में, जेएसपी पेज में और व्यू में हम डाटा देंगे. जो डाटा आप पास कर रहे हो, दैट डाटा इज वैलिडेटेड एंड प्रोसेस.
हेलो सर.
हाँ, हुआ
सर आपनका वॉइस ब्रेक होची तो क्लियरली किछि सुबा जाउन.
मधु ब्रेक हो mo voice.
यस सर, ब्रेक होची आपनका वॉइस.
अच्छा, ମୁଁ ଆଉ ଥରେ କହୁଛି, ଏବେ ଠିକ ଶୁଭୁଛି?
यस सर, एबे ठीक सुबुची.
ମୁଁ ଆଉ ଥରେ ରିପିଟ୍ କରୁଛି. We are using three part model, view, controller. So in the second point we have discussed JSP page act as a view. Okay, तो JSP पेज में आप क्या करते हो ना, आपका फॉर्म का डाटा देते हो. सपोज आपका लॉगिन आईडी पासवर्ड देते हो. जब आप आपका लॉगिन आईडी पासवर्ड देते हो, वही लॉगिन आईडी पासवर्ड जाकर वैलिडेट होता है. कहां पर वैलिडेट होता है? कंट्रोलर पर. कंट्रोलर चेक करता है योर डेटा इज करेक्ट और नॉट. इफ योर डेटा इज करेक्ट, अगर आपका डेटा करेक्ट है तो it is taking that value and store in a model. अगर आपका डाटा इनकरेक्ट होता है तो आपको एक जेएसपी पेज में आपका एरर मैसेज शो करेगा that you are giving a incorrect inputs. Clear? मधु,
यस सर.
सागर,
आज्ञा सर.
Yes, sir.
सागर बुझियला?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Then third point, Java technology class acts as the model. Which implements business logic of the web application. Java technology class acts as a model which implement the business logic of the web application. Just a minute. Charger turn. So this is all about call as the model 2 architecture. So model 2 framework. Okay, so what is that model 2 framework? The first Gibson heading, what is framework? A framework or software framework, a framework or software framework is a platform for developing software applications. Okay. Framework or software framework is a platform for developing software application. It provides a foundation. It provides a foundation on which software developer can build programs for a specific platform. कटि जाउछि बार बार लिखिलो नाउ थरे रिपीट करिवि
सर टिके रिपीट करंतु आउ थरे
नाउ थरे रिपीट करछि ए फ्रेमवर्क or software framework is a platform for developing software application. It provides a foundation on which software developer can build program for specific platform. बुझिला देखिलो
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
it include code library. It include code libraries, compiler, and other programs used in software development process. Okay. So framework is a what you can say it is a platform where you can compile your application, design your application, and you can deploy your application. Okay, so that is called as the framework. So in model 2 framework, what are the technology you are using? Okay, so right, popular framework for developing model 2 architecture. Popular framework for developing model 2 architecture. Struts. Okay, I think. Okay, popular framework for model 2 architecture. सुबुझी मो कथा?
Yes, sir.
Struts from Jakarta project. Struts from
voice break होचे सर
मोटे नेटवर्क कहीं अप एंड डाउन हो जाए. Struts from Struts STRUTS बहुत ब्रेक हो जी. सुबुझी मो कथा? I am audible?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. কিন্তু maximum time बहुत कटुची आज net.
हाँ आज बहुत कटुची मु भी बुझी पान. मन नेट ही किसी सॉरी नहीं.
ओहो.
नेट किसी सॉरी नहीं किंतु कटुची. लिखा Struts 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 from Jakarta project. Struts from Jakarta project. Java server faces from Oracle. Then Velocity from Apache. Velocity from Apache. Velocity from Apache. Apache APACHE. এটা হচ্ছে you can say it is a 3 popular framework that we are using. Okay, I think time is going to overside. Okay, so Java EE container, as already we discussed, when you are giving a request to a server, your request is processed in a CGI application that is called as the OS cell. But while you go for Java servlet, here we are using Java EE container, enterprise edition container. So web application traditional